beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a shopping haul for you. I got Charlotte Tilbury, E.L.F, Toofaced, Milk, and oh yeah, glam. So I'm very excited to show you what I bought. Yeah, let's get started. So it's really a box full. I really love the mailman at times like these. Mail, new makeup. I love it. So let's unpack the first one. I know I'm a little bit behind. This is the Gingerbread Extra Spicy by Toofaced. I had a hard time finding this one. And you can see I already tried it. I had a really hard time finding this one. I found it through Amazon. It's one of the few that are left because it's not this season, but the season before that, I thought, or maybe 2 seasons ago. I'm not sure. The palette really smells like gingerbread. And the pigmentation is like that. I'm going to use it in a video, so stay tuned for that one. By glam, I've got the liquid lipsticks, the mini set in Amour, Sweet Thing, and this is the lip pencil. Okay, this is a package I can't open with false nails. This is the pencil. This is glam. It's from Shein. And it's a dark brown. I thought, no, it's more like a burgundy red. Feels a little bit hard, but at the same time creamy. So I'm curious about it, how it's going to react on your lips. The liquid lipsticks. There's a plastic, there's a box, there's another plastic. So this is the color Lullaby. And it's like this. It's a brick red, I think. A little bit brownish. Then we got more like a nude color. This is Wonderland. It's this one. I like that color on my hands. And then we've got more a brownish color. This one is called Holy. This one. Can you see the difference between my hand and my face? Yellow, red. And I did a little shopping at Charlotte Tilbury's. I bought the eye cream. It is very creamy, very rich for underneath your eye. At night I even put a hair on my eyelid, so it hydrates a lot. And I like to prep my face before I do my makeup, so I do my whole ritual and I put the eye cream underneath it and give it about 15 minutes to soak in my skin, and it helps with my makeup to stay put like I want it to, so it doesn't crease in fine lines. Then the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This one smells nice. It has a very, yeah, it's almost like a mist. It's not that it's so watery that your face is dripping. And actually, I'm not doing like this. I'm more like this. So the mist is spraying on my face. Then this is my all-time favorite makeup remover. It's the Take It All Off and it's on a oil base. This one I always use to get rid of the residue of my lash glue. This is the only one who helps for me. This is a go. I bought again the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfection Micro Powder. This is my all-time favorite setting powder. This is in color wher. Yeah, it's my all-time favorite. I just get a fluffy brush, pick something up and go underneath my eyes because I don't want it too dry, but I want to stay my makeup put for the whole day. So that's why this is my favorite. It's in my kit, it's in my personal stash. So if you're looking for a great powder, that's one of them. Then I got finally the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This one was for so long on my wish list and I couldn't order it. I don't know how the other people get it, but I couldn't. The Hydro Grip Primer. It's oil-free, silicone-free, clear formula. Works across all skin tones and types. 1 or 2 shots of primer on the back of the hand, blended a thin layer onto the clear skin before makeup application. Allow formula 1 minute to fully absorb to activated grip for all day hold. So I didn't try it yet, so I'm very curious about this one. I already tried this one. I also used it in my previous video. The Max Factor Miracle Second Skin foundation, hybrid foundation. It hydrates, protects and renews. Coconut milk pre or probiotic complex with SPF 20. 20 is okay, but I like to use at minimum SPF 30 because of the other products that I use on my face. They all ask for 30 and it's more protection for the skin. Next to that, I ordered a red gorgeous ruby lipstick. It's also by Max Factor. Oh. It is the Ruby Tuesday. So now we know which color to use on a Tuesday. Next to that, I've got the Red Ruby lip pencil, and I will swatch it here. It's this one. You can see this is more red and this one is more purple. I use them together on my lip just to try it out, and this is the lipstick color, but together on the lip they are like match made in heaven. So I really like to wear this one. It is a little bit of a satin finish and it wears very light on the lips and bouncy feel. Yeah, I really like this one. The only thing I don't like is that, if you kiss somebody, it got red lips or lips on his face. So that's something you have to think about. And then, something I'm very excited about. I couldn't pick it up in the Netherlands, so I had to order it abroad. It's the E.L.F. Camo CC Cream. The full coverage line. I heard so much about this one and I'm so very curious, so I want to try it out. Really want to try it out because everybody who I saw use this foundation or CC cream, because it's not a foundation, it's CC cream, was lyrical about it, but they were like in the age of 20, so everything is still tight. And I'm 35 and I'm getting a little bit of lines. Not that it's necessarily bad, but I want to know how this is, how this performs on a little bit more mature skin. If you're curious about the E.L.F CC Cream, how it performs on a more mature skin, just stay tuned, because the video after this one is going to be about the E.L.F CC Cream. I bought two because I didn't know what my color was. This is more yellow, this is more neutral. So yeah, wish me luck. If you want to know how I find my match between these two colors and my skin, stay tuned for the next video after this one. Then I bought the Hydrating Camo Concealer by E.L.F. I already have one from E.L.F concealer. I like it, but it's the matte one. And yeah, I like dewy skin, so the matte one, I don't pick it up that much. But the formula is great. You can blend it out pretty good, but it's dry underneath my eye, and with the fine lines over here, I don't want that. So that's why I picked up the hydrated one. Also not available here in Holland, so I picked it up as well through the official site of E.L.F. Then I bought the Mint Melts Cooling Face Primer by E.L.F. Ooh. So it's a cooling face primer. Directions: apply evenly to face prior to makeup application. Once applied, wait 30 seconds before applying makeup. Beauty tip: use clean fingers to pat product into the skin. That's the only thing this one says. Okay, need a cooling refresher? This hydrating vanilla mint scented jelly primer is all you need. Its unique jelly texture works like glue to grip makeup to ensure it stays put. Its minty fresh, skin-loving ingredients will give you a refreshing, cooling sensation infused with hyaluronic acid and antioxidants. Your skin will be looking and feeling its very best. So that are the same things Milk says. So I am very excited to try those two together, or no, not together but separately, and look what the differences are and how good my makeup is staying on. So then I got the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist by E.L.F. I really don't know how this one is going to be on my skin, because I didn't try it yet. You can see the still be there. It is a up to 16-hour wear, and you have to shake the bottle because there is a ball in it. Then this one I know because I used it before. It's the Illuminating Mist and Setting Spray. This one really gives you illuminating setting, so you have a nice dewy skin and everything what was powder is gone. So this one I like very much. And then last but not least, I've got the Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Nude Rose. It's really rosy, yeah. Ooh, it has a very nice applicator. It's just like a triangle. Did it say sheer? Yeah, Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick. So it is sheer. My hand, it is already sheer. It's this one. This pinky nude color. I like colors like this, so I can't go wrong with this one, I think. I don't know how the application is, but we are going to try it out and see how everything is working. That's for my other video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to know how the products are performing on my skin, just stay tuned for the next video. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos in the future.